Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Malari, and today we're going to be doing this colorful eye look with the Colourpop Chasing Rainbows palette. So first I'm going to use the color Wish List as the transition color for this look, and I'm going to put that right in my crease with a blending brush. So I'm going to use the color Manifest It, which is a hot shimmery pink, and I'm going to start to blend that into the color Wish List. I'm still using that same blending brush that I used for the first color. Next I'm going to use the color Keeping It Cool. It's a dark purple, and I'm going to start to put that in my crease, but with a smaller blending brush. After I've gotten a good blend with those colors, I'm going to start to cut my crease. I'm going to take my concealer and my brush and start to dab it in an oval motion to create that cut crease. Now with a flat eyeshadow brush, I'm going to take the color Wiggles and put that on my lid. Now with that same brush, I did wet it a little bit. I'm going to take the color Not Playing and put that right on top of Wiggles. To start to create that blend into my outer corner, I'm going to go back into that color Manifest It and put that in the corner, kind of starting to blend it into that purple. Now using that same brush, I'm going to go back into Keep Cool and start to blend those two colors together. I'm going to alternate between the pink and the purple to give it a good blend in that outer corner. Once you've got your eyes completely blended, now I'm going to start to add my liner. To make this look more dramatic, I did add some liner to the inner corner to really give it that cat eye effect. Now to start to smoke this look out, I'm going to do my waterline in black. The pencil I'm using is a NYX pencil. Now with this color Keep Cool, I'm going to take my smudge brush and put that directly underneath the black to start to really smoke it out, and then I'm going to take the color Manifest It right underneath that and blend that in. The last two things I did to this look was added some glitter to my inner corners and added some lashes.
Again. Press it again. Wait, is that red one? Is that red one for a video?
Yep, you're in my video right now. You gonna hop in my video too?
Can I have a chocolate corn?
Hi, don't forget to go to Foxy Giselle's channel too.
Really?
Hey. Hey, don't forget to go to Gianna videos too.
Alright, so this is the end of the tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you have not already, please like, comment, and subscribe, and you will see me in the next video.